What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Julene here. If you are new, I make home decor and room makeover videos. Today we are going to go to some thrift shops. I'm going to show you some options for thrifting in a small town. I know sometimes when you are in a small town you feel a little bit left out when it comes to thrifting. I know I did personally. I always say, man, if I was in New York, I'd have so many freaking cool options for thrifting. But I'm here to show you today that even if you are in a small town, you can still get some really good options for thrifting. So let's get started. We're gonna go along to all the thrift stores here in my smaller town. Let's go. I went to Michigan to visit my family in my hometown called Kalamazoo, Michigan. Now, Kalamazoo isn't the smallest of towns, but it's definitely a small town when you compare it to big cities like New Orleans, Los Angeles, or New York City. Chicago is about a 2-hour drive. We don't always want to drive for great furniture, so thrifting is a really good option if you want to find unique, beautiful pieces on a budget. And it's a bonus that it's eco-friendly. Sorry, I was just doing my part to save the rainforest. So today I'm going to give you the scoop. I'm going to share 5 thrifting resources that you can access near almost any town in the US. First up on our list, Goodwill. Unless you've been living under a rock, I'm sure you know what Goodwill is. Goodwill is a nonprofit organization that was founded in 1902. And today, you wouldn't believe it, they have over 3,200 different locations across the U.S. alone.
Get out!
Goodwill is not only known for their fantastic employment opportunities, but when you go in there, there's so many options for shopping. You can buy things from toys to jewelry, lots of clothes, and my personal favorite, furniture. Pretty soon I'll be doing a room makeover for my mom's guest room, so I'm on the lookout to see if I see any cool items that I can use in the makeover. These would be good options if they weren't so far back. They're way too long. Oh, this is cute. Like a little for kids' room. This one doesn't have much. This is cute. This is real leather. I need some wall sconces to go beside the bed, but I'm not seeing any wall sconces so far. Only individual table lamps. Ooh, they have a whole nother section over there. This is really nice. I really like this. It's $170. Where will we put it though? So that's enough for Goodwill. I didn't find anything, and now I'm headed off to the next store, which is Habitat Restore. So you guys, as you can see, I'm right outside of Habitat Restore. You can literally find one in almost every city. And look, I'm in the middle of nowhere. So if there's one by me, there has to be one by you. So I was excited to learn that Habitat for Humanity has a branch called Habitat Restore. Now this store holds parts for all of the excess materials that are purchased for Habitat of Humanity projects. So you can find all kinds of things at Habitat Restore. Not only furniture, there's tiles, there's light fixtures, literally everything you could think of. There's wood, there's washing machines. It's like the mecca for DIY. You guys, I'm in the Habitat Humanity store in Kalamazoo, and there's like so much stuff around here. I'm trying to whisper because I don't want to be seen. the electric fireplace for only $140. I got really excited in Habitat Restore, but it was time to move on to the next place, which is probably a place you're pretty familiar with, and that's the Salvation Army thrift store. The Salvation Army had lots of nice pieces, just nothing that I could actually use. This is cute for like a first-time apartment or something. Need some nightstands for the room makeover. These are only $8.99, you guys. Are they sturdy? I could add some fronts to them. Put some contact paper on them. They're $8.99 each. I don't know. I was looking for something that was more wide, but that space actually isn't very wide, so these might actually work. Let me see. The rattan chairs are cute. Only $10. Ooh, this one's really cute. Look at all of this detailing here. Look at that. Texture on texture on texture. Wow, this is really nice. This is a good find. And it's only 75 bucks, y'all. If I had a place here, I would get it for myself. I really would. You can add some legs to the bottom of it. I don't even know if I would do anything to it. I like it as is, to be honest. Maybe I would add some more detailing to those drawers down there, but I would put some legs on it and be done. It's very cute. $75. Get out! Before I give you the last two resources, I'm gonna pop in a bonus one. Here's a thrift store that's unique to my hometown. I found it about a year ago and I fell in love. They had so many furniture options here. I was surprised by the back section when I walked in. It was huge and full of furniture. They also have a lot of good art choices to pick from. The store is called Way Thrift Store, and if you're in the area, I highly recommend you check it out. Guys, this is my favorite thrift store in town. They have the cutest stuff. Like, so many great options.
But I can let people know if you're happy to know this one. Here, give you this.
Okay, these would work. These would work. Oh my gosh, you guys. This says $5.98.
Get out of here!
This is perfect, and there's two of them. I'm gonna get these. These are perfect, you guys. Perfect. These are perfect. Let's get these guys.
Flat. It's so flat. I didn't even know. You don't even look good while you're singing.
Tried that we could. Oh, hey, yo, stop. And I can sing high.
OMG. I'm gonna get this too. Yep. I'm gonna get it. I really want to buy this one.
Okay.
And then I'm probably gonna buy those two nightstands on the side right over there.
Let me grab a fan.
Okay. You guys, this is only $80. Oh, and it has this matching one. I wonder if there's a way for me to use both of these. This will be good for my mom's room. I know she would like this as well. Let's take this up to the front. It's only $5. You guys, I ended up buying that credenza and the two nightstands, and I cannot wait to show you guys the transformation that I do in my upcoming video. So if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Now's a great time to do that, because if you don't, you could miss the room makeover. Okay, that's enough of the thrift stores. We've had enough. Now we're going on to the ones that literally everyone can access. Why? Because it's on the interwebs. Yes, that's right. I'm talking about Craigslist and my personal favorite, Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so first let's talk about Craigslist. And I'm not going to say much about it because you know about it. Everyone knows about it. what can I really say that you don't already know? Pretty much nothing, other than just please don't get murdered.
Did you just give me danger eyes?
I don't even know what danger eyes
It was
is.
like this. That's kind of.
I didn't make that face.
I think you. That's danger eyes.
Go.
Make sure that you do all of your research. Just make sure they have lots of pictures. Just be careful. Just be careful. And if you're gonna go on Craigslist, maybe take somebody with you. You know, drop your mom your location.
Mom, can you pick me up? I'm scared.
So that's enough said with Craigslist. Let's move on. One thing that I really like about Facebook Marketplace that Craigslist does not have is you can actually look at reviews from previous purchases. So a lot of the sellers on there have sold before. So you can see what people are saying. Are they a murderer or are they a good person? You can see that in the reviews. You can also see comments about the quality of their products. I also like that Facebook makes it easy for you to chat back and forth with the seller before you actually make arrangements to pick up the item. As you can see here, I've already had my eyes on a few different items and I've been talking to several sellers. This one here was back in Los Angeles where I live, but these here were right in town. I have a lot of projects coming up and I need a lot of furniture. So I've been really busy messaging people back and forth and hopefully I can get some great deals. I recommend saving items when you find stuff that you like, and I also recommend negotiating with people. For example, this couch sells for $1,000. I asked her if I can buy it for $700 and she said yeah, it doesn't hurt to ask. And that's it for today's video. I hope that you learned a lot and are more encouraged to go out and thrift for yourselves in your hometown. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye.